Okay, candidate number one. If you were to lose your physical good looks tomorrow, what would be left of you that people would still admire? Again, if you were to lose your physical good looks tomorrow, what would be the left of you that people would still admire?
People say that I have a distinct and defined eyes, so I think I'll pick my eyes because I think that the eyes is the windows or the soul that sees in every and each person. Thank you.
There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much to our candidate number one. Now, moving on to candidate number two. Please speak your number, candidate number two. I know that you are nervous. And pick number three. Your question, candidate number two. So listen carefully because I will read the question twice. When was the last time you failed at something? And how did that experience shape the man you are standing before us today? Once again, when was the last time you failed at something? And how did that experience shape the man you are standing before us today?
I failed to give time with my Lola. She died last 2020 because of COVID-19. My grandmother is a liar. She is very good at lying. Why? Because behind that great face, behind that beautiful smile, behind that good sisters, all the problems she had to solve, all the sacrifices she had to make, and all the pain she had to endure. Lola, kung saan nandito ko ngayon, ang masasabi ko lang, thank you for everything. Dahil sa iyo, nakapagtapos ako ng pag-aaral, dugo at pawis ang iyong pinag-aaral. Kaya, sa tingin ko, yun lang. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much, candidate number two. Pray and perseverance. And now, next up we have candidate number three. Speaker number. Number one. Okay, candidate number three is your question. If you don't win the title of Mr. Pogi Baras tonight, what is the one thing you will take home as your greatest achievement? Again, if you don't win the title of Mr. Pogi Baras tonight, what is the one thing you will take home as your greatest achievement?
Good evening, everyone. If given the opportunity to not win the title of Mr. Kobe Banas today, what I will take home is my ability to spark a change inside this sport. I'd love to say that I am a learning facilitator and I teach education towards students. And if I were to be able to reflect it to you all, that you have learned something from me, then that would be the best thing that I would literally take away from home.
Amo din
And
yan
I
kuan.
always believe in saying that what is vital is not physical.
Ang kanina nga niya kaging kuan paniya degree, ginya kang paniya degree kung ano
I
niya.
will forever bring
Hindi
the
natapos.
brightness I share with the people, the lessons I've learned, and most importantly, the happiness I was able to have inside of this stage. To everyone who is listening today, remember that if ever you will not succeed in life, there is always the experiences that will build you to who you are, and that itself speaks so much about who you are. With that being said, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to say that in life, we may fall down, we may fall short, but what's important is we stand up and we correct our mistakes so that we'll become the best version of ourselves, that we could literally surpass not only this generation, but the generation and generations to come. And this is what I am forever going to live by. The very main essence of being your Mr. Pogi Balas, 2026. Good night.
Ladies and ladies and gentlemen, that was our candidate number. So we're moving on to candidate number 4. Candidate number 4, say hi or shout out to your fans or other fans.
I think that
I have a few of those people.
Kaya ko rin nalutag ka nga turog. Di ba mga turog yan, mapacheck up nalutag buwas. Nangalimot akong medisina. Wala na itong medisina.
Thankful that we had my voice tonight just to continue for this competition.
Lagi
And
vitamins.
standing right here in front of you, simply people that despite of your challenges that you have tonight, be still proud, be at the face of the challenges, because you are no one can do it just like you. Thank you so much, candidate number 4, but that was not the question. We do understand your voice, your massive voice for tonight, but here's our question for you. And you take number 1. And here is your question. If you were to win Mr. Boom Balas 2026, how would you help promote our local tourism and culture to people outside our province? Once again, if you were to win Mr. Booking Baras 2026, how would you help promote our local tourism and culture to people outside our province?
When I was in college, I was once a part of theaters and we played focus on folk dances. And I had graduated with a course in a degree of Bachelor's of Personality and Management. Worked as a front desk lifestyle concierge at Movenpick Hotel Macanalan, Cebu. And now I have a new platform that I am able to impart my knowledge and the skills that I have learned working in the industry of tourism. Now, going back to the topic of how am I going to promote our tourism and culture, it's simple. I have already started it myself. Every single change that we want to see in our community, we should start with ourselves, because we ourselves are the example that we can best set to other people to follow to. And now, with the platform that we have teaching at University of Cebu Hospitality and Tourism Management, I am molding the future generations of young professionals to parade and be proud of what we have here in the Philippines, despite of the turmoil that we have here in our country. Because despite of all the negativity that is bringing in our country, this does not define what we are. This only shows what we are and our strength. Strength that being staying strong in the face of the challenges, being unfazed in times of uncertainty, and being hopeful and better and strong. And so, embracing our own culture, no matter where you are in this world, you will always be proud to say, with your head held high, that I am proud to be a Filipino. Mabuhay lahat ng Pilipino.
Number 3 nga number 4 mo open baton.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. Candidate number 4. And now, moving on to candidate number 5.
Lagi ko kulba.
Candidate number 5, pick your question or pick your number. And I will read your question. Okay, please use the microphone. I pick number 4. Okay, question number 4. Candidate number 5. I will read the question twice. What do you think is the most attractive quality a man can possess that isn't related to physical looks? Again, what do you
Isn't
think is the
related.
most attractive quality a man can possess that isn't related to physical looks?
Attitude.
Let me just simplify my question because someone can really answer the question. It's very true. And I just want to, going back to the question, what is the best quality that she possesses? I think that is God fearing. I simply believe that I myself, I believe that I am a Roman Catholic. I was born as a Christian. And for the information of everybody, I know that if a person, if a man as a dad is being the center of our heart,
para sa akin po, isipin po nawawala ng isang tao kapag ikaw ang Diyos rin sa kanyang puso. Dahil naniniwala po ako na kapag ang tao ang may puso, ito ay masasabi natin na tayo po ay pwede natin sabihin na natatakot po tayong gumawa ng mga bagay na mali para sa ating tao, tama po ba? Kasi alam naman po natin na kapag tayo gumawa ng kasalanan sa ibang kapwa-tao, ito ay hindi natin ito ang magsisihan ng buhay. At alam naman natin ang paggawa ng kabutihan natin dito sa mundo, ito ang magiging pinto at susi papunta sa langit. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much, candidate number 5. Again, partner, this is where we discover the heart
Maka-juice.
behind that smile.
And of course, we have candidate number 6.
Candidate number 6, pick number
Number
2.
2. And your question is this way. Pageants are often part of our tradition. In your point of view or in your own opinion, how does Mr. Bogi Baras help in strengthening the spirit of our community? Once again, pageants are often part of our tradition. In your opinion, how does Mr. Pogi Baras help in strengthening the spirit of our community?
Pogi Baras helps strengthening our community by teaching a lesson, guiding them, and telling them what is right and what do we need to do, and showing them that we are the role model.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. That was our 6 handsome candidates answering the difficult questions that you're giving to them.
That ends our question and answer portion, partner. And of course, hindi maiyak, masasagtan natin